Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must start with credentials and legal clearance. Do not improvise. Begin by confirming you meet licensing and authorization requirements, then enroll in an FAA-approved rotary wing program that covers systems, safety, and emergency procedures. Once registered, schedule supervised dual flight hours and simulator sessions. Make sure to secure written access to a certified airframe and current maintenance logs. This is not about shortcuts. Proper certification and documented aircraft access prevent legal and safety issues down the road. Now move into the detailed work. Master aircraft systems, avionics, and emergency checklists under instructor supervision. Once comfortable, progress through instrument and systems modules that explain how components interact and why certain limits exist. These help you anticipate failures. Make sure to log simulator sessions focused on night operations, instrument meteorological conditions, and engine or rotor malfunctions. This builds pattern recognition and decision-making. After demonstrated proficiency and instructor sign-offs, transition to supervise. Finish by preparing for and passing the formal check ride with an authorized examiner, then obtain any required type endorsement or operational approvals. Once certified, set up a routine maintenance and inspection schedule with licensed technicians and maintain detailed logs for every flight. If you encounter unexplained vibrations, fluid leaks, or avionics anomalies, stop operations immediately and consult a certified mechanic or relevant authority. Do not attempt ad hoc fixes. This single troubleshooting rule preserves safety and legal compliance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.